The individual is now known as Martin Graywinder and is actually supposed to be pursued by the Ohio State Highway Patrol right now as of this broadcast. Martin Graywinder is a successful toy businessman who, after receiving a complaint from a customer of his products not being very lifelike, led him to turn to the grisly murders of his brother as well as his own family. His brother, the uncle of his 3 children, as well as his wife, mentioned 3 children and the family pet, a dog. Unfortunately, Martin Graywinder is still on the loose as of the time of this broadcast. That is why we need the help of citizens like you to catch and allow and help civil authorities as well as the Ohio State Highway Patrol to successfully apprehend this individual, as he is armed and dangerous and is not supposed to be approached with the intent to provoke or deter. If he is not taken seriously, then he will more likely majorly injure or even kill anyone who approaches him. Again, do not approach this individual. More information will come later on. The following details are listed here. Martin Graywinder is a 35-year-old male, born on April 18, 1951. Hair and eyes are brown with minimal facial hair. He was last seen driving a black 1988 Nissan Maxima with Ohio registration DBS 353. The Ohio State Highway Patrol is currently offering a $350,000 return reward for the safe return of Martin Graywinder to be arrested and transported to a maximum security Ohio State penitentiary. Martin Graywinder must come and face the consequences for these monstrous deeds in which he's committed. It's as we always say here at Channel 9 News, what always happens in the dark always comes to light. We will now be taking a 15-minute moment of silence to pay our respects to those who have lost their lives in this rather horrible tragedy that will more likely go down in Ohio State history.